I'm going to quickly show you how to update the wheel sheet. Now, the wheel tracker that I sell got an update at the beginning of 2025. It got a new year-to-date tab, and it also got an open wheel tab that shows all the open trades. And it's very easy to integrate it. I'm going to show you the super simple steps. Let's get into it. All right, taking a look, I've got two files. I've got the file that I've used for a while. Mine just happens to be called Drawbridge Finance Active Option Trades. And you can see down here, I have my tabs that I've been tracking my wheel trades. And what I want to do is I want to copy these to my new workbook. So what I've done is I've made a copy from my PDF download. When you make your purchase, you've got this download. You can use that download to get the updated sheet anytime. So when I click on the link in the PDF, it prompts me to make a copy. I have done this. So this is a copy of number 19 Drawbridge Finance Wheel Options Tracker. That's the default setting. You can change that to whatever you like. Down at the bottom, there are currently 5 tabs in here. The other thing that's updated is the app script. So that is up in the app script, which makes the open wheel sheet function. So you need that. That's why it's best to transfer it into this new copy. Now, very simply, you can just delete the instructions tab if you don't need it. You can also delete the Apple wheel sample. You can get back to those anytime you want. You can just download a fresh copy of mine whenever you like. So the updates are free forever. What you want to do is take the existing sheets that you have and copy them into this fresh workbook. So I'm just going to go back to the tab that I have. Looking up here, I'm looking at my sheet, and I'm going to simply right click on one of my trades, and I'm going to say copy to, I'm going to say existing spreadsheet. Now it's going to open up my drive. I'm just going to search in here for number 19, hit enter, and you're going to see that I have copy of 19 Drawbridge Finance Wheel Options Tracker. It says the full name if you hover over it. So I'm going to click on that one selected and hit insert. I'm just going to hit OK. I'm going to go back to my other tab, and you'll see that I have now insert this in here. In order for these to appear in the open wheel tab, they have to be called wheel. So in this case, I'm going to rename it. I'm just going to call it IWM wheel. And I'm going to go over to the open wheel tab. And by clicking on this cell B2, it should just refresh it, and it should show both of these values, Apple wheel sheet and the IWM wheel. You can do that for each of your tabs. So I can copy to existing spreadsheet, and we just do them one at a time. And then I'll delete this sheet because I don't need that sample. It's fine. And I could delete the instructions if I like. And now I have an up-to-date file, and it should just work seamlessly like that when we integrate into it. That's as simple as it is. If you have any other questions, or you just want to talk about trading, you should check out my video right up here, which is how to access my Discord server, because then you have direct access to me whenever you want. Thanks so much. Take care.